So you have heard the buzz about Docker, but still don't quite get what it is. Let's break down in plain English and maybe with an analogy, because who doesn't love one? Docker is basically a tool that lets you package up your application and everything it needs to run into these things called containers. Think of containers like mini survival kits for your app. You load them up with the right code, libraries, and settings, and voila, your app can run on any machine, from developer's laptop to a massive production server without any compatibility issues. Imagine you're shipping something, I don't know, maybe a giant rubber duck. You put it in a standardized shipping container, so whether it's on a truck, train, or a boat, it arrives safe and sound. Docker helps you do the same thing, but for software. Once your app is containerized, you can toss it on different machine and it will still work the same way. It only works on my machine. No excuses here. Docker engine. Think of this as the engine in your car. It's what makes Docker containers go. Docker images. Images are the blueprints. They contain everything your app needs, like a snapshot of its perfect environment. When you run an image, it turns into a container. Containers. These are running instances. If an image is the blueprint, a container is the actual building. It's isolated. Therefore, you can run multiple containers on the same machine without getting each other's way. Dockerfile. This is basically the recipe for creating an image. Write down the instructions once and Docker will handle the rest. That's Docker in a nutshell or in a container. Get it? Alright, go forth and containerize.